So you're driving down a Texas highway, minding your own business, when the large 18-wheeler driving next to you inexplicably swerves into your car, causing a serious accident. What happens next? These cases, unfortunately, happen in our state daily. This video will help you understand what steps to take if you're involved in an accident, what damages you can recover, and most importantly, what your rights are as a motorist who's been involved in a collision with an 18-wheeler. I'm Allen Nunnally. With my law partner, Matt Allen, we fight for the rights of injured Texans who have been injured in accidents with 18-wheelers. What causes 18-wheeler accidents? Now, the list of causes of 18-wheeler accidents is long and varied, but I'm going to name a few that we see often at our firm. Start with driver fatigue. Drivers are overworked and are too tired because they're not getting the sleep they're required to. They fall asleep and cause an accident. Number two, driver distraction. With iPhones and little video players in the cab, drivers on long hauls get bored and start fiddling with the internet, looking at the phone, playing games, and watching videos. When they do so, they lose track of the road and they cause an accident. Number three, driver training. New drivers hired by companies do not receive the proper training to drive those large 18-wheelers. As such, they don't know what to do when they encounter situations they're not familiar with. Lack of training can lead to accidents. Number four, poor vehicle maintenance. The trucking company or the driver fail to maintain either the rig itself or the trailer. This can cause blowouts, engine malfunctions, or other things, which lead to that 18-wheeler causing accidents with other vehicles on the road. Number five, improperly secured cargo. We've all seen those big rigs with a flatbed with various things strapped to them. Improper securing of those loads and improper transportation of those loads causes accidents every day in our state. Number six, violation of safety regulations. There are various things which trucking companies are required to install on their vehicles to reduce and prevent accidents. If these are not installed and cause your accident, this is another cause that can cause injury. When an 18-wheeler accident happens, the damages go well beyond those of just replacing your vehicle. I'm now going to discuss with you the types of claims you can make after an accident. The first type of claim that you can make is for medical bills. This includes not only medical bills you have incurred, but also medical bills you may incur in the future. Number two, lost wages. If you were injured in an accident to the point where you are unable to work, you are entitled to claim damages for your lost wages. Not only your lost wages up to the point of the lawsuit, but also any lost wages you will have in the future. Number three, pain and suffering. You are completely entitled to claim damages for the pain and suffering you have incurred as a result of the accident. This is the physical pain you felt on the day of the accident and the resulting suffering you have felt through treatment into the future. Finally, punitive damages. If the acts of the individual or the company that caused your injury were reckless, such as they cut safety corners intentionally to make money or something of the like, you may be able to recover what is known as punitive damages. Best steps for filing your claim and recovering the best recovery possible. Following an 18-wheeler accident, here's what you need to do to protect yourself. First, seek medical attention. Get checked out for your injuries and follow the recommendations of your doctors. Number two, do not talk to the insurance company. Soon, following your wreck, you will be contacted by an agent of the insurance carrier. They're going to know information about your car, you personally, what happened, all kinds of things. Do not talk to them until you are represented by counsel. Three, talk to a lawyer as soon as possible and find out what your rights are. This lawyer will protect you and help you negotiate with the insurance company and prevent you from doing anything that could hurt your case. Finally, document everything. Following your accident, if you are able to, take photographs of everything around the accident site. Get the names of any witness who saw the accident and their contact information. That includes the police officers, any firefighters, any medics that showed up. Find out if there's any video cameras around the accident site that show the accident. But most importantly, Keep that information so that when you contact an attorney, you can share that with them. It will be crucial to pursuing your case. Truck accidents are complicated and can be very disruptive to any family involved in them. It's important that you know your claims, your rights, and the value of your case as soon as possible so you can make the important decisions that will affect your family and their future. If you are involved in one of these accidents, reach out to Allen Nunnally and we will speak with you directly about what your rights are. Remember, with Allen Nunnally, you have no better friend, and those that have injured you and your family have no worse enemy. If you like what you've seen in this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can see our content we release about personal injury matters every month. Thank you.